Alright, thanks for watching the channel. This is James. This guy hasn't been running about 3 months. So I got it home to winterize it. Already washed it up, lubricated the out drive. Gonna go start it. It's got a Mercruiser 350, 5.7, carbureted 4-barrel, and she don't like to start. Let's see how long it takes her.
This is the phone with your chance to win another $1,000. Text the national keyword TUNE right now to 95819. That's TUNE to 95819. We'll text you back to confirm your entry. Data and messaging rates may apply.
Alright, not too bad. Couple cranks. Set that choke. Hold the throttle about halfway open while turning it. Usually second time or third time after letting it rotate 3 or 4 seconds, it'll fire right up. Thanks for watching.